Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to remove surface rust from chrome. It's really easy, really cheap, and the results are really good. So let me show you what we've got first. So as you can see here, we've got a rusty handlebar, but other than it being rusty, it's in really nice condition. So this is surface rust, so there's hardly any pitting. So to do this, you need some tin foil, a small tub of water, and a cleanish towel. So I'll set this up so that you can see. I'm going to try and do this in one take, so bear with me. So if I set this up here and use it up a bit. So the first job is to tear off some tin foil. You want to scrunch it up, not too much, but you want it wet. And then, I'm just going to check you can see what I'm doing. Go. And then, you just rub the tin foil on the surface. And you just keep going. And then we'll do the other side. Just clamp this in there. It's much easier if you've got like a vice that you can clamp it in place, just to keep it nice and still. You want to just make sure just when you're done, just give it a little look, make sure. And then when you're done, just get a clean cloth and give everything a nice wipe. So it's nice and clean. And I will show you the results. And that is how you get surface rust of something that's been chromed with tin foil and water. I hope that tip has helped you. It's really easy, it works providing the rust hasn't pitted. I'm hoping that this method will help you restore parts and get rid of surface rust. Now, I have been told that Coca-Cola works really well because it's acidic. However, you want to use one without sugar in it, so Diet Coke, because you don't want this getting sticky because it'll make a right mess. So hopefully this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.